connected.
Hello, guys. Welcome. Oh,
Hey, Kamar, hello.
hi, Rishu. How's it been? Wow, been good?
I am doing well. I have missed being here, but I have blocked my morning out
Yeah,
and I plan to make some money.
let's do it.
But plan to maybe not lose some money first. And then if the money comes along, I will take it. That is my goal for the day.
Sounds like a great goal.
Hello,
Hi, Rise. How are you?
how are you, man? Good.
Good, good. Hi, Texley. Hi, Panguru. Welcome aboard.
Yo, what's up?
Think.
I
Now,
was
guys.
looking more into options flow today, and
and I've learned a lot, but I couldn't find any intraday levels for NQ.
We're working
Like-
on it. There's no intraday.
Yeah, that's the thing. I couldn't find it on Mentor Q, and no matter.
You need
No
to
matter-
use QQQ or NDX, and you need to use the converter.
Yeah, but I've searched for QQQ on TradingView, and when I entered one of the brokers on TradingView, so it didn't put the indicator. Like the indicator didn't work, even the end of day one. It's a whole thing. I just gotta research more about it.
Ah man, I wanted to take a long from here. Market open. Let's stay away from this. I mean, surely we got a pullback, right? Maybe, but I'll short get to the value high. Oof! Let me make sure I'm in the right account. Well, what a nice short. Look at that monster.
There any news today?
No. Okay.
Oh,
No.
okay.
Oh, guys. Oh no. Like a nice short. Oh boy. Short my ass. Maybe now I look for pull. Hmm. Want to short.
Incoming!
Sellers.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Okay. Oh, no. Oh wow, what a bitch.
So, how's everyone doing? What are you on with now? Have you made any trades, Karma?
Yeah, I'm down. I got wicked, and then I got wicked, and then price came back.
I mean, this shit just seems like it's ranging.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Order
500.
submitted.
Oh, right,
Order
mate.
submitted.
We've all been there. I get that. That's horrible. Have you just shorted there, Karma?
Yeah.
Order submitted.
Why are you looking for breakouts? What's the gamma like?
The gamma's down here. I'm betting on the rebalance of price action.
I mean, yeah, but... I mean, trade the range when it's ranging, right? Waiting for it to prove you wrong otherwise.
Order
Shay, how you doing?
submitted.
I saw you typing then. Ah! Oh, oh, I feel for you, man. Yeah, I'm gutted. I blew my I blew my PAs yesterday, so I'm just taking the rest of this week. I have a limit on the amount of evals that I'm going to buy in a week, just to control myself a little bit because I can get out of hand when it comes to buying the accounts.
Dude, it seems like a lot of influencers all blew their accounts too. Like a lot of those trading guys.
Oh,
okay.
Ham, I feel like I've not heard from you or seen you in ages. Where have you been, man?
Dude, I just took like a little break.
Sometimes it's needed.
Same with me. I blew an account $89 away from a payout and
I remember
crashed
that
out.
actually. I remember you being in. Yeah, it's horrible.
Order submitted.
Sorry to hear that, man.
Yeah, it pissed me off mainly just because it came like literally
Order
to a
submitted.
tick and like stopped me out and then like ran 100 points in my direction and I just like lost it.
I've been there.
I think we've
The
all been there.
who's that? EJ.
Yeah.
EJ, how you doing, man?
Good. So I've marked out a level from 340 to about 370 where I can see towards the close yesterday there were a whole bunch of buys came in, and that's exactly where it's stalling. You can see all the sell orders there stacked up, and it's just not going down. So I think it's just going to come right back into the range it's been in all day today.
Come on, man, that is such a bottom of the curve, that.
Yep.
I'm actually looking at this on a 24 range chart, and I don't think I've ever seen on such a small chart, such a tight range, so little movement. Usually it's flying all over the place just because of the smallness of the range size, but it's just sitting there. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Rain, I think you're going through FOMO right now. Just don't buy another one. Don't do any evals. Just take the day. Don't know how old you are or how old you need to be to drink in your place, but go and drink at the bar. No, I'm joking. Don't do that.
Go.
Just watch Karma
good
get at the
advice.
bottom of the range.
Yeah. But seriously, the moment I enter, just fucking hell, bro.
I don't know why you went for the bottom of the range.
Well, I tried to
what
enter-
Even like for
Now, I saw a lot
even
of
for
the-
break.
I was trying to catch this momentum when I saw all these big orders come in line,
That's what always gets me, though. Like, I'll see at the top of the range 193 buy orders, and I was like, yeah, it's a breakout. But then they end up getting absorbed. Sucks. So what do you guys make of this? I'm looking at Mentor and such, and most of the major DEX levels are well below us. They're saying positive gamma environment, but we're way above all the significant levels, at least according to what Quinn was telling me this morning. We're way above the call wall. So basically we're floating in the clouds. So what does that mean for market action? Any ideas?
Me, I still think that we need to come down for a pullback. I don't believe that we don't, I probably entered really badly, but I still believe that we're gonna come down. But
Okay.
So
it all makes sense to me when we're within those boundaries, but once we're outside, basically Mentor's AI doesn't have anything to say, so I'm just kind of guessing. Is it going to just continue upwards with momentum? Is it going to revert? Is it going to be a massive mean reversion back into a larger range?
I really bottom ticked this.
That's what we were saying yesterday. You and I both. If we sell short, go long. Man.
Do 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 do. It will BRB.
One change I'm making when I come back is I already put I didn't realize you could set risk parameters on your deep charts and do a daily loss limit.
Oh yeah, you can.
After twice burning an account within $100 of payout, I will be incorporating that from now on.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's good. Can. happy ass days. Like all of us. Damn.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
NQ's basically at low of day while ES is kind of lagging.
Hmm.
Kind of looking like ES is going to catch up. All right, ES hit low of day right just a second ago. It paused.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
Well, I think survived that. My direction was, my bias was correct. My entry was garbage. And watch this go all the way to my original TP.
That's how I felt the other day, bro.
Yeah.
Literally exactly the same.
I am going to lock my account because I'm feeling super FOMO right now.
Sorry about that.
Sorry, what?
Sorry about that. I needed to nip off quickly.
No worries. I'm gonna lock my account.
For me, it was the trades I took after the initial like loss that blew my accounts. My like complete rage
Very,
trading.
very quickly. Sorry, Cam. Call me. You're screen sharing your YRM dashboard.
Am I?
Sorry, Cam. Carry on.
No, you're good. Let me just copy Karma's information real fast and.
I'm screen sharing my YRM.
So-
Sorry?
So, what did you make from that then? How did you do? Because I saw it drop down.
I didn't trade.
I didn't know. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. No one said anything. I took one trade, one loss. The second trade was a win. Could have held a bit longer to make an additional extra, but looks like price is coming back up. So I exited around Gex tree. So,
Well, I just lost like $900 and I made it all back, so I'm kind of happy.
Oh
I'm glad.
I'm gonna lock my account because I'm feeling super full.
So those days telcs are fantastic when you can make the money back from 900.
Yeah.
But the problem is,
Like,
you've got to put
I
that
didn't-
down to a level.
Yeah,
of
I know.
luck.
I know exactly. That's my exact thought, but I didn't make all of it back because I'm down like 165, but like it's only 165, like it's not that much, so
165 is a lot better than being 900 down.
Oh no,
and,
Ray.
and I actually got burned down on the consolidation area right there, but now that I look at it, like I think it's just the weight of the speed that made me make the wrong calls, you know? Like
Yeah.
it was just how fast it was, but like now that I'm looking at it, it went exactly as I thought it would. Like it went in my direction and all, so
Brain.
I could have
man.
entered in the like just like you said, it was a range bound, so I could have entered like at the top and it would have still validated.
Ever training. Yeah, that's, you know, I'll tell you a little story about me. So when Deepcharts came out, right, around November, I know we were on a winning streak. Like, I never felt so cocky in my life. After the new year, on February, pre-market London, wrecked. Completely wrecked. I blew like bloody 7 funded accounts in what, 2 weeks or less. So then I made a deal with myself. No matter how beautiful the move can be during London, I'm not doing it. See in the chat here. Oh, Chai. I'm so sorry.
Wait, what's happened with Che?
She might funded. What is Globex?
Oh, that one. That was ages ago.
Yeah, I'm actually not too disappointed that
Isn't Globex like gold?
ETH session.
Oh, ETH Tetra Bro Asian.
Oh yeah, no. I
I've never heard people.
some people call it Globex. Yeah, some people call it Globex. But for me, ever since that episode I had on February, I made a promise to myself. I'm never gonna try this fucking Asia London bullshit anymore. Because the thing is, right? Okay, London sometimes is great, right? Depending on the ATR, average true range. Normally on London, right? If the average true range ranges on the 1 minute chart, it'll stay around 7, 10. You know, that's normal for London, right? But whenever you have like 3, 5, oh, forget it, right? So, oh, my TP was actually pretty good. Not pretty good, but my entry was garbage as fuck. But
You You should have. I mean, should have, could have, would have at the end of the day. Have you got Deep Effort open still?
Yeah. Deep effort. I have it on.
Need Andrea to fucking reply to me, man.
You're texting Andrea.
Yeah.
That's funny.
I know, right? It takes ages to reply. It takes like fucking 2 days to reply. Who just joined? Lexi. Hello, Lexi.
What? Jay. Wait, is that from them?
You can tell it's AI. Look at the AI text.
Oh shit! Oh god, bro, I love it. Can I use this every time I blow a fucking account?
Incoming!
Alright, don't worry, you come back stronger, yeah? I hear it. It looks like it's gonna go now. To the previous day's point of control.
So Telks, what I'm working on right now is, annoyingly, you highlighted a very valid question before that Mentor Q doesn't have intraday for the NQ yet. They are coming apparently.
Oh yeah, but I'm looking like for something like spot gamma, you know, like something that will tell me before, like before the session, even in the session, what's the gamma's condition, because I think on Mentor's AQ, Mentor's Q, sorry, it's end of day. It's not like, because currently it showed that it's positive, and after that consolidation area, I highly doubt that it wasn't negative or something like that. Or I'm just confusing them. Like, isn't negative gamma going to make a lot more consolidations areas?
Negative gamma usually means directional. Positive gamma means
negative means there's going to be a lot of a lot of volatility.
Yeah.
So I wasn't wrong.
I don't think so. I think it's I think the Menthol Q1 is live, because they update all of this intraday themselves anyway for a lot of the other things.
The Q score, also the Q score.
Let me check.
Let me have a look. Yeah, let me have a look as well.
I've been meaning to ask them like later on the day, but if I could get an answer here, so it would be much appreciated.
Pretty much everyone here, Rain.
Oh, sorry, you go ahead.
Go on, Cam. No, it's fine. I'll reply to Rain on text. You go on.
I was just gonna say, you guys said you could link up your mentor queue to Deepcharts somehow. How did you guys end up doing that?
No,
it's just a bot, no?
So Menthol Q don't support Deepcharts because Deepcharts doesn't have API access. So what we've created is a bot that you can just put in the gamma levels or the blind levels or anything like that, and it'll just convert it into an annotation file that you can then upload onto Deepcharts. So it just saves you having to manually plot it's 29 different levels out on the chart then. So you don't have to do that. It does it all for you.
Do you have to daily put in the levels like manually?
No,
or does the bot do that?
So the bot gives you the file that you import onto Deepcharts. So you just import annotation, and then it just puts all the lines on for you, all the levels on for you. But you just do it once. It takes 2 minutes to do. Unfortunately, there's no way. There's no way of integrating it into Deepcharts.
I was wondering, like, from what I've seen, TradingView doesn't give away, like, they don't they didn't give Mental Q their API key as well. So how did they, like, how
They've
do they?
created indicators,
Oh,
private indicators for it.
And then where's this bot at? Where they,
So if you look, if you look on the left now, below where the broadcast room is, you've got the levels hub. And then in the levels hub, you've got the Gex levels and you've got the blind levels. So I need to update those blind levels. 1 second, I'm going to do that now.
Wait a second.
And then
Broadcasting room.
are you on your phone?
No, I'm on my computer. I don't even see the levels overview. Is that the one?
Well, hang on. No, so if you've got levels overview, what I think, if you just go all the way up to the very top, and then there should be something that says browse channels.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you click that, you've probably just not got them enabled. So you just need to, when you click that,
wow. I see.
there's a load of channels, and you select what channels that you want. And now if you find levels hub, and you can just click follow the category, and it'll open up. And then, if you... I'm going to send you something now, directly.
Wow.
So, do you see that long string of text that I've just given you?
Mm-hmm.
So if you just copy all of that, so that's what you'll find on a Menthol Q. So
and then you integrate that into Deepcharts by doing how? You copy and paste that to...
Then if you go onto the levels hub, and it's called TTP Gex Converter.
Let's see. Whoa. How the hell you figure this out?
I'm just smart, man. And then in there, if you do forward...
I helped! Excuse me?
Comment was there on the call while I built it. Then we were brainstorming for hours like that. But then in the Gex Converter, if you do /convert, press enter, and then I'll give you options of 4 different things. The levels I've sent you are called blind spot levels. So you select blind spot, and then you paste that whole text in, and click enter.
/. So you literally message /convert?
Yeah. /convert.
To the TTP Gex converter. You message them?
Yeah. And it'll come up with a command that'll like a little pop up above it. Like command matching convert, for example. You're actually the first person that's going to be testing this that's not an admin, so that's why I'm kind of asking you to do it as well.
Here, I'm going to screen share real fast because I'm a little confused.
Okay.
So I would click.
So let me open up. Where is?
The fuck does Price wants to do? This is invalidated already. So let me get this.
All right. So now you're in the Gex level. So these are the ones that we provide to you. So these are the daily ones, for example. But on the left now, if you look on where the levels are, the categories, there's one that says Gex Converter.
Oh, I clicked the wrong one.
So now in there, if you do /convert, enter, and now select this is blind spot. Yeah, click
blind
it.
Spot.
Now click paste, and press enter. This will now give you an annotation file that you can just download that, and on Deepcharts under a chart. So yeah, on the right hand side you've got the 3 dots. Download. Now if you open up a chart on Deepcharts, bring that onto the screen as well.
Oh yeah, let me share my full screen. I don't know.
At least I know that it works for you too.
All right. So then go to my downloads.
No, so now open Deepcharts. Now open a chart on Deepcharts. Yep. An NQ, because this was NQ. Now right click. Drawing utilities. Down where drawing stuff is. You've got 3 drawing. You've got drawing objects. One more. Import. And now
I need to
find
grab
where.
it from my downloads.
Oh, sorry. No, that's my bad. I thought you just went into that.
Keep. Select that.
Yep, open. And that just automatically will give you the exact levels for where
Damn.
the blind spot needs to be. But then, so the idea is you've got blind spot levels, you've got gamma levels, and the gamma end of day levels are what we give to everybody anyway. But Menthol Q does give you the NDX and the QQQ levels for intraday. Now, right this second, I'm trying to figure out how to convert, because the prices are different and there's a way you convert it. And the way you convert it is really fucking complicated, but you need to know the price at a fixed point in time. So like the end of day yesterday, I need to know when the NDX closed and what it closed at, and then the same price for the NQ, and then I can figure out what the conversion needs to be. And that conversion's normally about 40. So for the QQQ, it's between 40 and 45. So the idea is I look at the QQQ, let's say it's 600, I times that by 42, and that's the number that associates with the NQ, and that would then be an intraday level on the NQ. But I need to make it so that the bot does that automatically. But right now, that bot converter is basically just going to draw these annotations out for you like this based on what Menthol Q give you. But it'll work for the gold, it'll work for ES, it'll work for NQ. We're only providing it for NQ for people. But if you wanted to do ES and stuff as well, you can go and have a look.
And then daily, you have to remove, like, you just have to retype in the like enter in it. So if then the next day comes, I would just right click, do this again, import, and then just import to do whatever.
You'd need so that script, that convert, you need to do that daily, because if you look at my screen now,
Oh, you know, I think what we're missing in the Discord?
So tell us in a sec, comment. So this is what Menthol Q give you, and they give you this every single day. You just need to come on, get these levels from here. Then you'd go over to the Deepcharts, paste it in, and then it would get, instead of now, because otherwise I would have to go through into Deepcharts, put a horizontal line, put that, type it in, figure out what the exact location. I'd need to do that for 19 different horizontal lines, and that's just the gamma. And then I'd need to do 10 more for the blind levels. But instead, all you need to do is come onto this, click copy, paste it into that script that the bot that we've done, and it'll give you the file to add the annotation straight away. That's all the bot does. It's quite
the
powerful.
blind levels, the gamma levels.
So the blind spot levels are different levels. The gamma levels. So what I sent you with a blind, just to show you as an example. But the ones that if you now go onto the Gex levels under that levels hub that you was on before.
So every day it pops all these in here. So you just download and do the exact same thing.
Yep.
Wow.
So
that's
Karma
crazy.
or I'll come in here every day and put the Gex and the blind levels in here. So you don't have to use the converter. The converter is mainly for people who have the Menthol Q and just want to do the intraday eventually, or the ES or the gold or anything like that, if they want to use other levels. But we'll provide you the NQ, gamma, and the blind annotations, and that's how it's doing it, though. That's all it's doing. It's pulling it from Menthol Q like that. That's where we get the information, and we just give that to you, so you don't have to pay for it.
That's crazy.
And then the TTP key levels are basically Karma's levels, that, you know, his sensitive levels and stuff. That's what he's putting together manually for everybody. That'll be Karma's continued levels, but then you can pick between what you want to use. You can use just Karma's, you can just use just the Gex, just the blind, or you can use all three. It's up to you. So yeah. We're working hard to try and give a lot more content at the moment. We've been discussing, and we want to try and give as much as we possibly can.
Trying to find ways like the best way we can like help everyone, the community, just
Yeah.
That's
So,
insane value right there. That's nuts.
Yeah. So, and that's all free. So we've discussed we're not going to put any of it behind a paywall.
Yeah, no pay.
Everything that we're going to do is just going to be entirely free. I know we have been doing, but there had been talks previously that we might, because there's some costs associated to stuff. But then, YRM's been doing good for us, and as long as we can, have prop firms that are supporting us like that, and then a community of people who are supporting us, then that covers our costs. So effectively,
yeah.
So if you not have grab YRM yet, please use our TTP code and support us so we can keep the bots and everything running.
And as soon as I hear back from Andrea, because I've just asked Andrea to give me my my Deep Dom access again. Oh no, sorry. There's a few things. So I get given Deep Dom by Andrea. I don't pay for it. It's just a reward for helping out in the Deepcharts community so much. So we're going to start streaming that every single day in a channel on its own. So when we're not live, you all can go in and use that as and when you want.
No
and
way.
Just look at it to the NQ. It'll just be a live stream 24/7. Well, no, it's not 24/7. When the markets are open 5 days a week. And then Karma has it on his live stream anyway there. But you all can just go in and just watch that as we want to use it then. And then another thing is we're about to get affiliate code for Deepcharts as well. We're going to be one of the first communities to get an affiliate code for that. So if any of you
no
do
way,
need to
I
renew,
just resubscribed.
I know. I've been trying to get him to give it me faster, and he's fucking dragging his heels.
No.
Well, let me check it. By the way, guys, if y'all are interested in MentorQ, right? If you use we have a discount code, right? If you use it, then instead of paying $130+ a month, you just pay like $50-ish a month. So we managed to get that as well. So just letting you guys know. All right, go on.
We're working hard behind the scenes, man.
Yeah, bro.
So you guys got a YRM, a mentorq, and almost a Deepcharts.
Soon to be Deepcharts.
Trying really, really hard to get Lucid and Apex. Apex, if you're watching this, come on, man.
I know. We are also going to be there's going to be some new ranks coming in the community. Just as like a little status symbol for any of the prop firms that we support. If you pass a prop firm, or so in this case YRM, or you get paid out, if you upload your certificate to a channel, this is going to be in by Friday, you'll also get a fancy rank on the Discord that stands you out from everybody else. That says you've either passed an evaluation or you've been paid out from it. Well, that was quite like a nice little bonus.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's a good idea.
Yeah. So yeah, some cool things, man. Just working through them now. And then I think at some point, Karma and I need to discuss it, but we're going to be looking for some community moderators that not necessarily moderating, but that are going to help us with the community side of it. People who are active and up for it. We'll see what we can do.
Dude, I would love to help. I just feel like I'm not technologically advanced. Like all that stuff that you just described and made, like the back end of that, bro. I don't know. That's just
but that's a me thing in general, so you don't need to worry about that. The other stuff is just more community engagement, just chatting with people. To be fair, I think I was going to actually hit you up at some point because you have been quite a long member, an active member. Just trying to find people who are reliable, who want to be involved more and help us grow it. So yeah, but we'll chat at some point. A few other people as well.
Yeah, for sure. I might even start posting some YouTube videos, and I can always, how if it ever kind of gets a good amount of views or anything, I can put the Discord in the description.
So what would be good, and we're going to be doing this for the TTP now as well, is so there's two things. I'll start with this one. It's all about clips. All you need to do is record yourself getting a good clip, and then make it into a YouTube short, and that'll get caught so much faster.
Oh yeah.
And then the other thing is we're going to be putting a lot more educational content down below, but it's not just going to be our videos anymore. It's going to be videos that we find that you guys will all find benefit in. And again, going back to Mentor Q, what are gamma levels? How do you use gamma levels? We're just going to be putting those videos down below for you all, so you can watch them. As like a
I was
bit
watching
of
their
a,
YouTube channel the other day. They have some good videos, dude.
they do, they really do.
Mm-hmm.
Some long ones. It's going to take a long time to get through it all.
Yeah.
For anyone who's interested in learning or just starting about these gamma levels, I just posted a link of their the Mentor Q's, how you say, bootcamp, and they'll go through from the beginning to end. They'll explain what are gamma levels, what is this, how to use them, etc., etc. So go ahead and check it out. It will probably it's under the educational category down there, and it will be under video guides. So you can copy the link and paste it here in the chat. So in case y'all want to learn more, there's that's a pretty good place to start off. Then as we go more, right? Today's just the first day of the new Discord. As we proceed, there will be more. So
yeah, we're gonna do more. Oh, and also everyone, there's a channel on the left which is Choose Your Alerts. It's nothing's in that yet, but we don't want to spam everybody with everything that we're doing because there's obviously quite a lot. So at some point, all of you need to, and I'll let you all know when. Just go into there and select what you're interested in the community. If you're interested in the Gex levels, you can select the Gex, and every time we post it, we'll at the Gex notified people. So you'll just get notified basically as soon as we do that. But then we don't necessarily need to spam you when new news comes out or anything like that. Then if you're only interested in one thing, but again, we'll let you know. Oh, Cam, are you gold? Sure, you're a gold member.
Say, yeah, I am.
yes,
I am.
You're not screen sharing anymore, are you?
Oh, here, one sec.
Screen share Discord. Scroll on the left. Scroll. Oh wait, you've got it there. Apply for a lounge. If you ever want one, take a read of that.
10-15 candle.
Board members can apply for their own private voice lounge. Whoa.
The idea is eventually we're going to have a lot of people in here, but if you want to have a little space where just you and a few friends that you want to chat with can go and hang out with, gold members are eligible to apply for a their own hangout area. So you can still use all the services and stuff in there.
Something. I clicked the waiting room.
I do that all the fucking time. I was just saying gold members can apply for. It's like a little perk as a gold. You can apply for your own lounge. So if you want to hang out with people specifically and be a bit more private, then you can move over into your own lounge. But then it'll allow you to use things like the Gex converter or any of the other bots that we're going to be creating. It'll allow you to use that in your lounge as well. So it can be a little bit more private.
Okay, here we go.
Oh yeah. Anyway, that's all the cool stuff at the moment. We'll bring some more at some point.
Yeah, the Gex thing was crazy though. That's like nuts.
Yeah, that is good. It took some time to figure out.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, alright. Oh, what is this market? So I guess Gex, or rather Gamma today was spot on. We are not really range bound. No, we are range bound. What am I talking about?
Yeah, it's definitely range bound.
Yeah, range bound. Oh.
Go rip the gym. I'll be on tomorrow.
No worries, man. I'll catch you in a bit.
My comeback. All right, see you guys.
See you then. So, technically, you would long...
Cormor,
Yes, buddy. What is up?
is volatility considered the consolidation I don't think so. Like
Gamma today is positive, right? Which suggests consolidation, right? ATR right now is just telling the volatility right now is 18, which is a healthy, normal ATR for New York. Nothing crazy, nothing awesome, you know. So, yeah, it's not volatile right now. This is normal for usually New York. On really good breakout days, you'll typically see the volatility.
no, yeah, but I was like thinking, and I think that the volatility isn't considered consolidation. Like usually volatility is
usually okay. Volatility ATR, right? If the ATR is low, that means lower volatility. Lower volatility means lower participation. Low participation means breakout plays are less likely to happen. Breakouts, right? And usually we either just ping pong, or market will move kind of slow. Usually, yes. That's what I would say.
oh.
Let's see the app right now. Okay, there's nothing at Gex 3 anymore. Ever we come back to Gex 3.
Incoming!
Oh, we got some pressure levels now from the bull bars. Let's check it out. Pressure of the buyers indicating bullish momentum. Let's see, I will mark the level for you guys now. I'll make it electric. There it is. According to the damn boring market today. Yesterday was nice. The day before yesterday was nice. I think it's also because we have no news today. I think that's one of the driving factor. Wouldn't you agree, Rice?
Yeah. Not even breaking news. So I believe it's because of that. Markets are dead.
And with the uncertainty of Trump. Today we don't war. Today we attack. Tomorrow the war is over. The strait is open. The strait is closed. We will block. We will not block. Oh my god, there's if ever there was like how do you say? Did you call that no, not entitlement. I don't know what you call it. Just someone of that status with power. I don't know. But he wasn't like that on his first term. Absolutely crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, but with us, zero breaking news, zero scheduled news. We just had unemployment claims, but you have unemployment claims every week, so it's nothing special.
That is true. This looks good for a long. I'm not gonna lie. scalp roll.
To the POC again.
Yeah, but we're kind of high in the curve right now, you know. Like we're above the Williams axis. So maybe, you know, the play is to come back to these two electric lines. These are the pressure controls of the vol bar chart, and it's coincidentally at the value area low. So we could, so hopefully price comes back, retest, possible for a long, so something like this, I would say. And then you would have something like, and then you could, let's see, there we go. So, oh yeah, it's going there already. So we're targeting the POC. Perhaps we come and short the value area high. So this level is gone because this level is right here. This is gone as well. We only have these two levels here. Point of control. We are range bound, so here at the value area high, here's the highest delta according to volume analysis, right? This is where you would short. And then let me take a look. Here. One, two, and finally three. So here I'm going to draw a box. Here is an interesting level for a long. And this one as well. I'll mark this as blue, because if this blue box gets broken, that's the last line of defense of the, I guess, the buyers, right? Then price probably continue. So yes, so around here in this area, this is where I would, you know, actually look.
Oh fuck! Apparently, our landlord just told us an electrician's coming round in 5 minutes. I think to sort our intercom out, which might mean my computer might need to come off.
Yeah.
And my mummy, yeah.
Anyone in a trade? One in chat. One in chat if you are in a position. Lol. I guess I would do this. I'll mark some interesting levels. Got one. Yeah, this looks like a good area for short, not gonna. You're hitting the point of control now, hitting view up. This looks like the pullback to go higher again. Are we going to continue higher? This is ridiculous. Seems so, yeah. Okay, we're tapping into up. Good opportunities for longer.
In the world.
Lowering market today. Wow.
Maybe now they will succeed.
Oh, good.
I'll be out.
Okay. Hello, hello. Can you guys hear me? Oops.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Check out the announcement. Excuse me. Check out the announcement. Man. Oy. What is this market? Market just. Oh, hang on.
Just wicked me out, but I made the rest of the money that I needed to begin. So
Oh, nice.
I'm currently $20 up. I could have taken like 500, but I was pointing at the home run. So, but yeah, I'm still green, so I don't care.
Yeah, no, that's a good way. Green is green, man. Coming back from a loss is hard enough, you know.
Yeah.
Wonder. Oh, I think it's Oh, hey, whoa, hey Mo. It's been a while. How you been? What's up, Mo? You like the new Discord? Kronos, where have you been? Kronos, where have you been? Oh man. We missed you, buddy. I'm green on the day, yes. Green on the held up. I took this short. I took the initial short here, got wicked out, entered here, and aimed at the Gex tree, and I stopped. Then obviously the market is pumping right now. As soon as I, lock my accounts like that. O, or my O's are. Did you take any trades, Chronos? I'm green on the low. Oh, you're going there. Well, obviously hindsight, but you just learned from Valeria Lowe. Done. Pum, 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 pum. Just so you know, guys, tomorrow we are going to host a Friday giveaway during the live on New York. So if you want a chance to participate in the lucky draw, okay, and we're gonna give away 150K YRM account for free, starting tomorrow, every Fridays.
Oh, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
What do we need to do to be in the giveaway?
Show up.
Oh, that's all?
Yeah.
Okay.
You need to send me $100.
Now, of course, you know, yeah, just show up. And then the more you show up on the lives from, you know, Monday to Friday, right? The more accounts I can get to give away, basically. Break of the we're mean reverting the short. Unless we break the IVB. It's either we mean revert or break the IVB for longs. Let's see. It's a waiting game right now. Boring as fuck. This is boring. Oh, come on, market. Ah. Know what I can do to me? Oh.
Incoming!
Oh, buyers absorbed. Isn't even paying attention. Oh, look at all this build up here. This is a long play. Hold. Oh, look at that. Probably until value area high. Oof!
Don't forget there's the composite value area high also.
Here? Oh yeah.
On
Aren't we already above aren't we already at composite value area high?
Almost. Not yet.
Oh, you look at RTH.
What?
Oh, RTH. Okay.
Yeah.
We're on the higher high, and we have a bullish environment. Momentum is at 1. Momentum is 1. Well, let me.
And we also have a Gex 7 there and blind spot 3. So
Here?
yeah. Wait. I'm checking again. Oh no, it's before that actually.
Well, intraday level wise, we are.
There's a Gex 7 at 26,500 and the blind
26,005. Oh, I have that as Gex 1.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Mine is showing Gex 7.
Really? Can you send me a screenshot?
And it's updated. I'll screenshot real quick.
Oh.
And the indicator is updated, so yeah. I'm gonna close the screenshot because it's eating my CPU alive. My PC is not great.
I don't know why you have that blind spot. I don't have it though. That's so weird.
Maybe the bot
No.
has malfunction or something.
Oh, see? I also don't have it. Even the blind spots are different from my blind spots all the way up here. BL9. So I don't know. I have a BL3 at 26,504. I don't have Gex. You said what? Gex 8, right?
Gex 7.
Gex 7 at 20 what?
26,500.
Yeah, nothing. So
I don't know. I'm using the indicator.
Oh yeah, wait. End of day. Hang on.
Yeah, end of day. I didn't adjust yet the QQQ like you guys told me. Like it's new to me, so I didn't do it yet.
Oh, the QQQ is just for intraday.
Yeah, I know. You told me, but I didn't adjust it yet because I gotta spend time for it. And we were already into the session.
Of day. I still don't got it. End of day. Yeah, I have no Pixie Gex. I have no Gex 7. There, that is the resistance of call wall pin. Oh, TP hit. Look at that.
I didn't manage to get in on that.
I usually, don't know why, for some reason, I'll take a loss, make it back, become green, lock my account, and then find amazing trades throughout the day. This is funny.
Like a pretty good, how do you say? Pretty good habit.
I know, right? Lose first, win and make more, and then lock the account, and then call many trades. Good. Look at this one. Oh my god. This was a nice trade.
I'm gonna put my TP at Gex 7.
Keep a trades.
Let's watch this.
Oof. Where's that TP hit? What up,
And it
bro?
looks like they really want to go though.
Yeah, I think so. But be careful now. Yeah, I think if you break IVB with you know, acceleration.
I'm gonna be careful. Obviously, I'm in break even, so like
I have itchy fingers. I'm gonna trade. You gotta make any good trades today, Keepa?
first bad sign.
Galera high.
I think I'm gonna cover myself. They didn't manage to push them above.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna. Oh, got me out.
Easy, papa. Easy.
But I'll tell you what. I think it's more like I think the speed on New York Open is like it's like a lot of weight because it's like it's making you more stressful. So
Yeah, the first few.
it could
That's why
it could
even.
be the reason,
Yeah.
it could be the reason why you're making bad trades, and then like you get the bangers when you calm yourself down.
I usually get the bangers at 10 o'clock afterwards, usually. And 15.
Maybe I should have entered that. I saw the absorption, but I was like, oh, should I risk it?
Maybe you can wait for the break of the IVB.
Yeah. Like I'm trying to get in on a limit, like on a retest. So I'm gonna wait for them to break and then I'll enter on a retest. Because I'm not risking it on momentum.
I don't like break. This looks good.
I mean,
oh. Aggression. See
if they get rewarded. Oh.
Nope.
Like 90% of the time, market is like consolidating.
That's
so
a break of the IVB.
Yeah, it's not.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Target. X1.
Order submitted.
Since we have not gone there yet, let's see. We have liquidity up here. Oh wow, bunch of liquidity. So we should hit 468 now. Okay, we just hit 468. We have a total, I think, of 100 plus or 80 and 90 contracts up here at 26,500. So just
order
here.
Submitted.
Liquidity pool here. This is also 479. By this. Then if I'm selling, then I would sell it.
Order
I'm not letting me
submitted.
get in, huh?
Order filled.
Okay.
They're going to
Order submitted.
do it
Order
level.
submitted.
Oh.
X1 probably. Wow, what a nice long. Jesus.
And kind of sucks that I got break even. Could have made like what $1,000.
God damn. Oh, a nice trade. Now it will be interesting.
Oh. Oh, damn.
The first level here, I was a bit confused. Let's see. But There's this Gex one over here.
I think. Oh, they aren't going down. Never mind.
No, they're going down. Look! The buyers are reloading. The sellers are trying to push the price down. But the buyer said, no, where do you think you're going?
I was going to say that I might enter if I see an absorption on the reload level where there's a big trade, but they just absorb the sellers completely.
Yeah. But you are high on the curve on the RSI, so I would be careful.
Oh.
Oh.
See if they're going to do something. Something interesting. I mean, the buyers. Doesn't seem like it. Did you long this?
I took partials out.
Oh.
Oof.
Well, there goes my my trade.
Yeah.
And I gotta go now because I wanna go train.
Train.
Sucks. Yeah, I've been pretty rusty lately because I didn't train a lot. Like I was only going 2 times a week, and there were some weeks that I didn't go at all. So I'm trying to get back into shape. But
you mean gym?
Like, yeah, but I'm like 18, so it doesn't really matter. So
You're lucky. Enjoy your youth.
Yeah.
We're seeing crazy days and We're not expecting this uptrend for 3 days.
They
Trend up.
They didn't touch the level yet.
They will. They will. They will. They will.
They will.
They will.
But I'm not going to enter here because like it's way too risky. Obviously. Even when I see an absorption, it's risky because they visited. Like there's a wall there, and also we're really close into the Gex 7, so it's pretty risky. Knew it.
If I put my TP just at 6499.5. Yeah, actually my TP is perfect. At 6499.25. Slightly below.
Oh, we lost a few people.
Yep. Wait, Como, do you still don't have the Gex 7 level? Is it not showing it?
Nope. Even I checked already on MentorQ. I checked. I don't know where you got the Gex 7.
I don't know. I'm just using the indicator.
So Tex has Gex 7 there. How about you, Chronos?
Gex 7 from what though?
End of day.
So is it just as our thinking just not pulled it through?
No, it's not that, because even on TradingView I don't have Gex 7 anyway.
I can try and remove it and put it back on.
Oh shit. Oh wait, no. 5 minutes. Damn, we've ripped. How many points is that? 200 points.
A lot. As soon as I locked my account, this happens.
Yeah, now it updated. Now I got
okay.
Gex 1. Weird, why didn't... But it showed me that it was updated.
When did you pull the levels? Like
I think before New York session. Yeah.
26,500. Okay, he has Gex 7 at 20. So okay, I don't understand. Your guys 26,500 is Gex 7, but mine says Gex 1.
But I just
Wait, what's your Gex?
updated it, and it shows to me as well Gex 1. So I don't know if we're both right and Kronos is wrong.
Wait.
What are your guys' numbers? What's he get?
He just sent a picture. I can see that he has a lot.
No.
Wouldn't it be crazy if we will visit the value area high of the composite?
Right. So his Gex 7. Are you both using TradingView right now?
Yes.
No, mine currently shows the same as Calmo's. So now it's only Kronos.
Yeah, but Kronos is using the QQQ levels. Are you using the intraday levels or the end of day?
Me? I'm using the end of day.
End of day NQ levels?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that's different from the QQQ levels.
No, I think Kronos is using end of NQ as well.
So he's using TradingView, yeah,
yes.
and it says QQQ next to it, which means that that's come from the QQQ chart.
No. Gex 7, the first Gex 7, right? The one in his screenshot is written resistance zone, call wall pinning. Yeah, Gex 7 NQ. The one above him is QQQ. 26,000.
Yeah, that's all I'm seeing. Oh, alright, yeah, I see. My bad.
Hi, Rain. I'm alright. I mean, obviously, the moment I lock my account, the market gives me a very nice, beautiful move, right? Yeah, it does this. Okay.
Did you see how much ping is printing? That was pretty crazy, like what he did yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
I was genuinely surprised. He said he took London and New York. Like, he took basically the whole day.
Who?
Ping.
Ping.
That's what he said, no?
Oh, yeah. Or just that's the spirit, brother. That's the spirit. Oh, gold. Oh, gold is hard. It was very hard. Hit my fucking TP already.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order cancelled.
Well, we're going to do the spinning wheel, so make sure you guys show up for that. Okay. Valley area high. Valley area high. Hitting this level. High on the curve. Can I catch a short, or is this going to be another day? Man, this is the third day that I just don't go for a long and just, you know, hold it. I'm just so
I do want to catch a short so bad.
I do want to catch a short, but I don't like trading market, especially when Trump is on. You know why? Because he just needs to say something. The dude is so unstable that it, you know, makes me nervous holding a trade. Okay, I see you, Chronos. Let's see what we got here. Long equal auto. Yeah, I know, right? QQ activity line above your what is zero line?
We got into the Gex one, I see.
I want to see this one here. The C sensitive level one. I want to see price hit that. Zero line. Ah. Oh, right.
Yeah. Here we go.
Nice.
He said something, didn't he?
I just got this short.
I mean, they just hit the Gex level, so it was expected, you know.
Yeah. Value area high. The 5-minute look good. All bars look good. Very nice. $435 contracts.
No,
That's...
more than that.
500, oh yeah, you have only
510 of 40 contract.
Yeah.
Guys, it's not. Do you know who these people are? This is not you, me, and Richard. These are people who can buy us. That's why I fell in love with the options.
Oh.
100%.
This was unexpected.
Long. Has to be.
It's 430.
Wait, is it long? Wait, let me. Okay. Absorption of the sellers, 500 plus contracts. Now the seller is trying to push the price down. Buyers are coming in and they're reloading on this level. When they flip, we will see a catalyst at the upper wick here. I like this.
I think after they range a bit, then they are going to start going down again.
Fabio 2.0. Why you think I'm wearing the hat today? Mamma mia. Mamma mia. Look at this.
Have you ever been in a call with him?
Oh, Fabio? Yeah, I've been. What do you mean?
No,
call?
like on a call, you and him, one-on-one.
Oh no.
Do you want to meet him?
Of course.
Like, is he your idol? I would say.
Of course. Why you think? Look, I wearing the black hat. I'm wearing the black shirt. I have the accent. Mamma mia. Okay, I'm not wearing the black polo shirt. Okay, you know, some people, you know, they always criticize. Okay.
No, it was pretty funny to discover that there's another Fabio who's also Italian on Mental Q. Like,
Yeah, the Fabio Mental Q. Hey, Dark D.
That's
How are you guys?
That's kind of making me think, like, are they running the world? Like, what the hell?
Can you guess if I have a son, what I'm gonna name him?
Andrea?
What the fuck? Oh man.
I'm just kidding. Well,
Well, actually, I can do Fabio Andrea.
His middle name is going to be Andrea?
Maybe. Hang on.
These Fabios are conquering the world. Yeah, exactly. Oh, they actually managed to... Maybe they will go long here. I think that once they go back up, they might try another short. Like, I think they're just trying to gain a lot of buy contracts before the big move down.
Look at the CVD.
Is it showing a divergence?
Not yet. But showing that buyers are completely absorbing the 435 sellers with plus 100. Mr.
I don't
Fabio,
really like using the CVD, to be honest.
Well, let me ask Mr. Fabio what is happening in the market right now. Fabio slash Karmar.
I'm Fabio.
Oh, you're Fabio? Okay.
Okay. What's going on? Sellers when the value are higher, sellers try to push with 500 contracts, guys. 500 contracts. You know who are these people, eh? It's not you, me, Richard. These are people who can buy us. And now, the buyers trying to step in and they're trying to push the price up, right? The sellers are protecting this level and the buyers will protect this level. These guys, these will be the catalyst. Here, 26,007 and 26,452. Okay, this is the catalyst. If we break up this high, we are going to heaven. And if we break this low, the buyers will break this low. You see, the buyers will have to remove their stop losses and we will go to hell.
Just one question. Who's Richard?
I don't know. Look, 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 look! What did I say? What did I say? Look, 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 look! What did I say? The moment we break this, we're gonna see an acceleration of the market participants. Look, is this accurate or not? Or no? Huh? Is this accurate or no for you? Is this accurate enough or not? And now we can see that you take this long, you're going to get to the protection level. But damn, that was actually a good call out. Okay, it was a good long.
Yeah.
It was a really, really good long. Implementer Q. Okay. 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 This is good for shorts. I need this price to come back up. Oh! Oh!
Order submitted.
Let me in! I don't know, Fabio, Andrea, but I think Andrea Fabio. Oh, I think this one sounds better. Andrea Fabio. As, you know, what a name. Andrea Fabio Simi Valentini. Whoa! Yes! What do you think? Where do you think this thing is going, huh, Kronos? Alright. Shout out to YouTube. Alright, we're calling it for the YouTube channel today. Check us out, join our Discord. Tomorrow, every Friday, we're gonna do a 50k YRM giveaway. All you gotta do is show up for the live sessions. I'll see you there.